Welcome to your journey into programming in 2024. Today marks the beginning of an exciting journey, a journey that takes you from the very start of coding to a point where you are well prepared for a career in a tech industry. How to learn programming in 2024 as a beginner, you might be asking, and probably that is the reason why you're here right now. Well, search no more, as this is the roadmap from beginning to tech ready. Starting with the basics, we guide you to becoming a confident coder, all while exploring the internet mysteries. So ready to dive in? Let's explore coding and unravel the web secrets together. Before we go further, let me just show you the full bootcamp, the entire layout of this course, which was created modeling the topics and subjects I learned through college/bootcamp. So you can get the same information I got, which allowed me to become job ready, plus also added many nuggets to improve your learning, like the FB system, speed programming, and much more. Let me show you. If you're just starting out, this course is your guide, leading you from the basics to becoming a skilled coder. As you can see, this roadmap is massive. It starts with 10 modules to grow from a beginner to a confident coding professional. Ready to unravel the programming's mysteries? Let's begin our exploration. First, in the programming world, there is front-end, back-end, and full-stack developer, and it all depends on the skill set you have and or on the things you like while learning to code. In a nutshell, the front end is the visual part. But wait, let's take a car as an example. The front end of the car would be the paint, the body, the radio, the lights, the interior, and so on. The back end then becomes the battery, the engine, the mechanical, the electrical, and all the parts that it's not the look but the functionalities of the car. And full stack is compared to someone that has a good understanding and has the skill set to fix and build everything from lighting to body to radio to engine and all the parts that interconnect and function together as a whole. All three have a good understanding of these 10 steps, and as we move on the steps later, you will see how at some point there will be a crossroad. You will have to decide which lane you are more interested to follow. The front end tends to have a lower entry requirements, as a result, a lower salary. The back end and the full stack requirements are more strict. It might require more experience, and your skill set has to be on point. As a result, your salary will increase, and make no mistake, if you invest the right time and efforts, you can attain it. So let me go real quick through each section so you can have a better grasp and understanding. Just as this course guides you through coding, understanding the basics and the fundamentals of the internet is a crucial step in your programming journey. The first module is called Basics, which is an introduction to programming and discussing the importance and fundamental concepts. Then we move to module Setup, where we will be installing necessary software, setting up the programming environment that will be very important in your programming journey. Module 3 is a real treat, detailing what the full bootcamp system entails and how it aids in learning and understanding code. We then proceed with Module 4, Browser, exploring how browsers interact with code, understanding browser developer tools relevant to learning code. Number 5 is Commands, covering basic command line operations and their importance in coding. Following with Version Control, which it's an industry requirement. Module 6 is the introduction to version control systems like Git and GitHub and their role in the coding ecosystem. So after you have such an introduction and understanding of the fundamentals, you will start writing your first line of code, as Module 7 is Start Coding. Module 8, it's another nugget, often only used by skilled programmers, and that is how you will start to separate yourself from the pack. As speeding programming will teach you tips and techniques for efficient coding, workflow optimization, and improving coding speed. Am I going to become a full stack developer with these 10 modules? The answer is no, because this roadmap consists of 3 parts, and what you're seeing right now, it's only the first part. So please stay tuned till the end as we unfold the remaining 2 parts. Also, don't forget that this curriculum aligns with the college/bootcamp I attended. Module 9 is styling and presentation. It's focusing on code styling, layout, design, and its relevance to presenting code and creating visually appealing projects. The last module on this part is number 10, libraries, which is understanding the significance of libraries and their integration into code projects to once again speed your coding process while having responsive side. Now, part 2, this is where the road forks, and you will have to decide which road you will take. The front, the back, the full stack. But before that, there is module 11, which gives you an introduction on how to think like a programmer. For now, you have plenty of time before you get to module 11 and get to take that decision. Your decision right now should be, should I enroll in this life career changing experience? Or should I go with my day? As Tony Robbins says, I do not allow my mind to negotiate with me. I know my calling and I know my goals. Today is the day you can gain a solid foundation in programming concepts, starting from the basics and progressing to more advanced topics. Acquire hands-on experience through practical exercises and projects for real-world applications. And prepare for a career in tech by learning in-demand programming languages and techniques sought after by employers. By following the most structured curriculum designed to guide beginners, systematically making complex concepts more accessible and manageable. Enroll right now and get access to the course materials at your convenience, providing flexibility according to your schedule. Benefit from regularly update content aligned with the industry trend, ensuring relevance to the current programming landscape. This course is exclusive and limited to full bootcamp, and it is available only for serious students no matter what your age is or status. So head to fullbootcamp.org, start your journey right now, and don't let your mind play games with you. This is solid and serious opportunity that comes only once in your lifetime. I was in your shoes a few years ago, lost, confused, and having no idea where to go. And I'm glad I took the plunge, and now I'm here to give back so you can also have your shot. Enroll today in this incredible opportunity. If you're still watching this right now, you are already ahead of 90% of the people that probably clicked out 20 minutes ago. They are focused on Netflix, video games, partying, or other activities that will have zero impact in your life. So go ahead, take the plunge, and enroll today, as price will increase really soon. Remember, some colleges and boot camps are charging thousands of dollars for this, and it is not as structured as this incredible course. Acquire the skills and enhance credibility for job opportunities or further education. By enrolling you have chosen the right roadmap.